So my decorative thread here is this sparkle thread. It's absolutely awesome and it's been placed into my upper looper. Decorative threads in the serger are going to work better in the upper looper. So thread your decorative threads through the upper looper. Now I'm going to start threading my serger for the 3-thread overlock wide stitch. So I'm going to grab my thread here, put it through the antenna at the top there, floss here, and then come down. They always say to pull the thread to your knee, and then we need to engage the threading. So I'm going to put my serger to serger threading, turn the hand wheel, so just engage my loopers, and then put this through here. And then press this button and it comes right through. Don't forget to just change this to serging before you close this door up. And now I'm just going to thread the needle. So I'll get my serger thread, put it into the top antenna, floss, and then start to thread around. Then I'm just going to engage my needle threader here, place my thread in and then lift it up, and it automatically threads this thread through the eye of the needle. What's worked best for me is to have my length set at just before that 3 dial, and my width is set at 7.5. And now we're just going to start sending this through. So this design was already pretty cool by itself, but look at this decorative stitch. How cool is that? The decorative threads on a serger really elevate the look of something. I hope you've enjoyed watching and you've learnt something new. Looks pretty cool, eh? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss seeing my next video next week. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.